what is up, guys? Now, something is different with my bedroom. So, look, I'll show you. Well, that's just that. Coco, can you stop? So, my mom's in the shower, so don't worry about her. So, there's a big surprise in my room. So, this is where I'm going to be moving my Xbox. There's all my other things. Look, this is where I lie in bed. Look. So relaxing. Oh. This is when I wake up. This is my kitties. Yeah, those are also there. It's kind of blurry because it's dark. I'll turn on the light. Okay. So in my these, this is the main. This is Kevin. Hello guys. I'm gonna be in one of my videos. Okay, I'll go back to sleep. Yay! Rocky, what are you doing behind me? Oh, I just got teleported here. Oh. Hey guys, you obviously know me. Hey guys, wait, I didn't see you in a while. Okay, I'm gonna hop over. Ugh. Wait, cactus? No! No! Hey guys! Wait. Hey guys! I don't know if you know me, but I'm gonna be in a video soon. Next. Cookie lunch. Hello guys. What? Give me a cookie. Give me a cookie. Works. Hi guys, you obviously know me. But yep, you obviously know me. Hey, I had to check. Okay, that's all. Except we didn't do this. Look. Guys, you obviously know me. I didn't be in a video in a while, but I'm finally in one. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Mom, come. Oh, hello guys. My name is Teddy. Don't read that, huh? Please don't. Well, anyway, I'm Teddy. Give me a big kiss. Okay, thank you. What did I just see over here? None. Banana. Hey guys, give me a banana. Oh, what's happening here? Zebra, stop! Zebra's here. It's Officer here. What can I do? Are you from Paw Patrol? Yeah, we hate Paw Patrol. Ah! Hey guys, I'm a bunny. Can you go back in there? Alright. There's no ball. Imposter! One of my crewmate. Oh, get back. Wait, who are you? Guys, are you recording me? Yep. What is this? Make sure to like and subscribe to Scanside Pizza Castle if their channel is not deleted. and subscribe to Max Murphy. We need to hit, how many subscribers do we have to hit, Max? We gotta hit 14 subscribers. Yeah! Help us get there by subscribing. A beep, a beep, 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 a beep, beep, beep. Okay, guys, I have to go back in. Okay, I'm going back in. Me too, it's boring. Me too. Yeah, guys, that's kind of it. Oh, yeah, Super Mario! Yeah. Oh, yeah, my first solar system. Guys, look at this view. Wait. Oh. I hear a dog. Guys, I just hear a dog. Guys.
Okay, Max? 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 Are you video? Don't video me.
No, I'm only pointing at the whatever sign. He didn't see you. Oh, gee. So yeah, that's kind of it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe. That mouse said that you haven't seen. Oh, wait, I don't know if you know him, but make sure to like, subscribe to Scott Snotty, Max Murphy, and PJ Costello if you can find him. And always, pizza! Ciao, Peace. Oh, wait, guys.